Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is reverse node in K groups. We are given a linked list of some length and an integer K, and we need to reverse nodes in K order, that is K at a time, K nodes at a time. So if there are any left nodes, uh, which after considering all the multiples of k, then we have to leave it as it is. So let's see how we can do that. So guys, let's see through the demonstration as well as the code. So first we will calculate the length of the linked list. Okay, we will, in order to find whether we can actually have a slot of k nodes or not. Now we are assigning a empty node answer, and we will point a pointer, just a second, and we will have a pointer temp first pointing to the that null node. Okay, we are assigning a null node and we have a pointer temp, and we will have a pointer current pointing to the head of the null node. Now while current is not equals to null, and if length is greater than or equal to k, that is we have calculated the length, that means we can still reverse the list. So we will call the reverse list function with current as well as the current head node as well as k passed, and then we will reduce it the length of the linked list by k, and we will further increment it. Now let's see the reverse list function. Now a reverse list function is very simple. This is simple reversing a linked list logic where, okay, for example, in this case 1 and 2. So what will it return? It will return 2 as previous, and since these are not still reversed, so 3 will be returned as current, right? And one more additional thing we are doing is heads next is equals to current. Now what was head? Head was this. So we are just making this connection as well. Yeah. So after first iteration, the list will look like something 2, 1, and 1 is pointing to 3. And again, we will continue in the similar fashion by coming back and updating temp as current and current as currents next. And if the length is less than k, that means we cannot have a reverse list function. So we will simply break out. Now we initialize the answer with a null node. So answers next will actually have our reversed linked list answer. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, you like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.